Hi everyone. In this video, I'll be taking you through the one-click point of sale system, specifically the retail parts. So to open the application, you'll have to use the shortcuts icon which says one-click POS, or the icon at the taskbar at the bottom. So I'll just single click on the icon of the taskbar in the bottom here, so it will take me to the application. So application has got, as we can see here, a back office and a retail point of sale. So we will go to the retail point of sale to make our sale. So I click on that section, then it will ask me for username and password. This should be provided by you, administrator. If you have an account, you can log into the Cashier, put your username and password, and click on login. This will open a new till session starting right now, which should be usually done at the start of the day in the morning, and we will close this session when we wanted to cash up in the afternoon. So it will indicate here new till session. Click on OK. It will take you to the screen where you will be making sale. Right, so to make a sale, you have option to search for the products by its name or description, or scan the barcode, or input the stock code. So in this case, I'll be using the barcode to scan my items. So if I scan my first item, it will enter the item into the shopping cart with one quantity. If I scan the same item again, it will increase the quantity to 2. So as you can see here, the quantity is changed to 2. Or I can increase it by pressing the plus button here, as many quantity as I want. But if the quantity is quite big, there is no need for you to click multiple times. You can click on the number and change it to that specific amount. So if I wanted to buy 25, I will put 25 on my keyboard and press enter. So it will automatically calculate how much that 25 of this Johnny Walker will cost you. If not, you can minus it once again. If I want, no, it's only 2, then I can just input 2 of them. So I can continue scanning all the items which I have on these carts. It will keep on adding the new item to the bottom of the cart. As you would see that there are 3 items, but a total of 4 quantities here which are entered. So this is one way to enter an item, by scanning a barcode. So another option would be, if I don't have the barcode for the item, I can actually search for it here. So for example, if I say tumbler, I can just write the first 2 letters. Automatically it will filter all the items which matches to that text. So I can press enter if it is highlighted, or use the arrow up and down to select that specific item. So it will input the item. If I wanted to search another item here, let's say Heineken, then it will search all the Heinekens. I can press up and down on my keyboard. That is if I wanted to search the item, but simply if the item has got a barcode, as you can see on this screen, I would have just scanned the item. If the item is too heavy to carry to the till, or the barcode is not visible, we can search the item and press enter. Okay, so once all the items are entered to the cards, to finalize this cart or this sale, I can click on proceed to payment at the green button at the bottom here. Click on proceed to payment. It is showing me that there is 1,400 Rand amount due. If the person is making a cash payment, you can just simply click on add payment. Otherwise, if it's a card payment, you click on card payment and add the payments to the list. In this case, you have an option to split the payment as well, in terms of cash and card. If the customer would like to make partial payment in 2 different method of payments, you can simply remove this payment which you have added and split the payment into 2 payments. Like for 1,400 Rand, I can rub off that. I can delete it and then put, let's say 1,000 Rand was through the card and 4,000 was cash. So I can choose cash and add payments. So I have my total amount 1,400 from 2 different type of payments. Then click on finalize transaction. Please note, this finalized transaction will not be active if the total amount of the card is not input. So add payment until you have all the amounts you need, and then click on finalize transaction. This will automatically print your receipts to your attached printer, and the sale for this transaction is complete. All the transactions which you have been selling are under the order history. You would have seen this amount which I just completed is here on the top of the list. I can view that and it will list all the items, and I can download the PDF format of the invoice, but at this point, because we have just printed this receipt, there's no need for us to print another one. So let's make another sale one more time. So I can also list all the frequently used items as a shortcut icon here on the, we call it a quick select. All these items which are listed here are supposed to be frequently used item. For example, polystyrene cup, it could be a plastic bag, or it could be a loose cigarettes, or anything which is most frequently used item can be listed here under each category of items. I will cover this section where how do you list items in a shortcut or in a quick select here to be selected. So if I wanted another item on the quick select, I can simply tap on it with a touch screen or a mouse, and that will enter the item into the cart. So once this is finalized, I can proceed to payments. 116 Rand cash. Now the customer pays me 150, so if I can put 150 there and press enter, it will automatically put that amount into my cash payment, and then you would see that change due is 34 Rand in this case. So if I click press enter again, it will automatically send that for printing, and it will show me the change is 34 Rand.